And now, it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Good morning, Sea Lions. Welcome to the Sea Lion Flash.
Happy Peace Week. We're proud to present Come Walk in My Shoes, an annual experience featuring a variety of activities that represent challenges in fine motor skills, gross motor skills, auditory and visual challenges, dyslexia, and different forms of communication.
But we will answer as many as we can in here.
Through this experience, students get the chance to think more deeply about how others may move, learn, and interact with the world differently, and how we can be more inclusive, helpful, and kind. We want to thank Miss Duncan and all the volunteers who came together this year for our school. Thank you. This is Sea Lion leader Julia Bezoska with this week's announcements. It's Parent Conference Week. We will have early dismissal on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. All students are released at 12:30. The reading lab is closed during conferences. Make the most of your time in class this week. Tickets to this year's PTA Carnival will be on sale before and after school throughout the week. Get tickets now to avoid long lines at the carnival. Jay's Italian Ice, a local small business that makes incredible desserts, will be at McGaw all week after school next to the carnival ticket sales. Come and support this amazing business. The PTA silent auction is open for bidding. Support McGaw programs by bidding on Principal and Assistant Principal of the Day, Teacher of the Day, season passes to the Del Mar Racetrack, Legoland tickets, Laker tickets, Magic Castle tickets, UCLA football tickets, Ed Sheeran concert tickets, surf lessons, summer camps, and so much more. Sea Lion Chorus is on Wednesday after school. Youth Center music class is also on Wednesday after school. The Great California Shakeout is happening on Thursday at 10:16 a.m. Remember to drop, cover, and hold on. The PTA Carnival is on Saturday, October 18th. The event begins at 10 a.m. and lasts until 4 p.m. Get tickets and join us at this Coachella-inspired community event. Thanks so much, Sea Lions. Let's make it a great week.
We went around and asked students how they can bring peace to McGaw. Let's see what we can do to make McGaw a more peaceful place.
I bring peace to McGaw by smiling and making people happy.
I bring peace to the school by being nice.
I bring peace to McGaw by throwing away the trash. I bring peace to McGaw by being quiet in the classroom so teachers can do their job and teach. I bring peace to McGaw by making new friends and being kind. I bring peace to McGaw by being kind and encouraging. I bring peace to McGaw by being kind.
I bring peace to McGaw by trying to play fairly.
I bring peace to McGaw to help a friend. I said hi, everyone. Hi, everyone.
I bring peace to McGaw by not fighting.
I bring peace to McGaw by being kind to others.
I bring peace for McGaw by stopping bullying and making sure that everyone is happy.
I bring peace to McGaw by making new friends.
How I make peace at school is by not trying to hurt people's feelings.
I bring peace to McGaw by treating everybody fairly.
Nice. What's that? Awesome. Let's go put it in. High five.
UTK.
Hey students, let's go ahead and kick things off by celebrating UTK student from Miss Tochioka's class, Santiago Echeverria. She said that Santiago was very responsible and being a very good listener. He followed directions because he was listening so well. Way to go, Santiago.
Kindergarten.
Miss Kim wants to celebrate kindergarten student Olsen Fox. She said Olsen was a good listener and did his work and showed raw behavior all day long when we had a substitute. Thanks for being a star student. We appreciate you, Olsen. We want to make sure we treat our guest teachers with the utmost respect.
First grade.
Miss Martin wants to celebrate first grader Bodhi Dina. She said Bodhi followed the rules independently during Gaga Ball. It's so hard to remember the rules, and Bodhi, you did a great job. Thanks for being patient and understanding how to play the game.
Second grade.
Mrs. Lee wants to celebrate second grader Evan Cherson. She said that Evan noticed that cafeteria trays were blowing all over the lunch area, so he stopped to pick them all up. Thanks so much, Evan, for taking care of our community. We appreciate you.
Third grade.
Mr. Larson wants to shout out third grader from Miss Franderson's class. Put your hands together for Kalena Ayalen. Kalena got a raw buck for demonstrating grit and determination all week long. She showed up and did the hard work so that she could stay ahead. We appreciate you too, Kalena. Well done.
Fourth grade.
Dr. Arias wants to celebrate fourth grader Grayson Chen. He said that Grayson was so kind in class and he complimented a student in an honest way. Thank you, Gray. We appreciate your authentic feedback.
Fifth grade.
Mrs. Wallace wants to celebrate fifth grader Audrey Kent. She said that Audrey was a great helper at the lunch tables. And being a good helper at the lunch tables means that you're caring for your friends, you're responsible with your materials, and you're being honorable with your actions. We appreciate you, Audrey. You've been a stellar student since joining the McGaw family. And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.